Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Today we will study 12th chapter Perimeter and Area. Part 6th. Let's see practice set 46, question number 4 to question number 6. Student, question number 4. What is the value of a rectangular plot of land 75.5 meter long and 30.5 meter broad at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter? Now what we have to find out, students? We have to find out the value of a rectangular plot. Clear? So here first of all what we will find out? We will find out the area of a plot. Clear? So the length and breadth is given. So with the help of this length and breadth we can find out the area of a plot. And then after finding the area, what we have to find out is we have to find out the value. Clear? The rate is given, that is 1000 rupees per square meter. So with the help of this we have to find out the value of a plot. So see how you will going to find out. Clear? So first of all we will write down what is given in the question. So the length of a plot. What is the length of a plot? That is 75.5 meter. Then breadth. What is the breadth of a plot is given? Breadth of a plot, that is 30.5 meter. Clear? So now we will going to find out the area of a plot. So what is the formula for finding the area of a plot? Now here it is mentioned in the question rectangular. So the formula is length multiplied by breadth. Clear? So your length is 75.5, your breadth is 30.5. So 75.5 multiplied by 30.5. What you will get? You will get 2302.75 square meter. Clear? So this is the area of a plot. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of a rectangular plot. So how you will going to find out the value? Here the rate is given, that is the rate of a plot. The rate of a plot is given, that is 1000 rupees per square meter. So rupees 1000 per square meter. Clear? Now we have to find out the value. So how you will going to find out the value of a plot? So value of a plot. So how you will going to find out the value of a plot? You have to multiply area with rate. So area multiply by rate. So here your area is 2302.75 multiplied by rate is 1000. So what you will get here? Now see, here the decimal point is there. Clear? Here decimal point is there. So in our answer we have to put a decimal point. So we will leave the two number from the right hand side and we will give a decimal point. Clear? So after a decimal point 0 is there. So we will not take that 0. So what is the value? What is the value of our plot? That is 23,02,750. Clear everyone? So here we will write down, therefore the value of the rectangular plot of land is 23,02,750 rupees. Clear? Understood? How you will do? Student, question number 5. Find the perimeter and area of a garden with measures as shown in the figure alongside. Now student, in this question we have to find out the perimeter and area both. Clear? So first of all, see, we will find out our perimeter. Clear? So what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a garden? So how you will going to find out the perimeter of a garden? Now see, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? 12 sides are there. And what is this side? What is the length of this garden? So here it is 13. So 12 multiplied by 13 you have to do. You will get 156 meter. Clear? So this is the perimeter of your garden. Understood? Now we will find out the area of a garden. Clear? So how you will going to find out? Now tell me how many square are there in your figure. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to complete the square. Is this square is complete? No. So we will complete this square by joining the lines. Clear? So if you will complete this square, now see how many square is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and after joining each and every square, one more square you will get, that is 5. That is the fifth one. Clear? So how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 squares are there. Clear, everyone? So we have to find out the area of all the 5 squares. So first what we will do is, first we will find out the area of 1 square. Clear? So here we will find out area of a figure. Clear? First we will find out the area of a one figure. So how you will going to find out? That is side into side. So what is the side given over here? 13. So 13 into 13 you will get 169 square meter. Clear? So this 169 square meter is the area of a 1 square. Now we have to find out the area of a 5 square. So how you will going to find out? So in the figure how many squares are there? So here we will write down here, figure consists 5 square. Clear? So to find out what? We have to find out the total area of a garden. So how you will going to find out total area? We had find out the area of a 1 square, that is 169 square meter. So 169 multiply by how many square is there? 5. So multiply by 5. You will get 845 square meter. Clear? So the total area is 845 square meter. Understood how you will going to find out this? Sixth question. The length of a rectangular field is 18 meter and the width is 12 meter. Find the total cost of leveling the field at rupees 1.50 per square meter. Now here again what we have to find out? We have to find out the cost of leveling the field. Clear? The rate is given, that is 1.50 per square meter. But first of all we have to find out the total area of a rectangular field. Clear? So how you will going to find out? By using the formula. Clear? So see how you will going to find out. First of all we will write down what is given. Length is given, that is 18 meter. Breadth is given, that is 12 meter. Clear? So here what we have to do? We have to use the formula, that is area of a rectangular field, that is length multiply by breadth. So our length is 18 and breadth is 12. So 18 multiply by 12, what you will get? 216 square meter. Now what we have to find out? Now the rate of leveling the field is given. Rate of leveling the field, that is rupees 1.50 per square meter. Now we have to find out the cost of leveling. So how you will going to find out the cost of leveling the field? What you have to do? You have to multiply what? The area with rate. So area multiply by rate. So what is the area? 216 and your rate is 1.50. So what will be the cost? That is 324. Clear? Understood? Thank you.